this is Swayam and I welcome you all to Fusion Cuisine. This recipe is one of my all-time favorite food. It's so easy to make yet loaded with lots of flavor. I'm talking about this one-pot chicken fajita. Let's take a quick look at the recipe. Take a pan, when hot add oil, then add onions, bell peppers. Try using the colored ones. I'm also adding some desseded tomatoes here just for the color. Next add in the green chilli, salt as per taste, black pepper and some chilli powder. Saute it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now here I have some mixed herbs, which is easily available in market. Crush it in between your palms and then add it to the mixture. Give it a good mix. This looks ready. Transfer the mixture to a bowl. And when it's still hot, add any cheese of your choice. Next, I'm adding here some cream cheese. This is the flavored one. Take around 2 tablespoons of cream cheese and then mix until the cheese is all melted. There you go, the filling is ready. Next, I have your chicken breast. Ensure it's not too thick, else it would take some time to cook. Who wants that? Anyways, now season with some salt, chili powder and cumin powder. Now rub the spices so that the chicken is well coated. Add ginger garlic paste and rub it again. You can also use the garlic powder and the ginger powder instead. So I have sliced a pocket in the chicken horizontally and this will help me to fill the pocket with the fajita mixture. Heat pan over medium heat and cook this chicken until it gets well cooked. Around 7 to 8 minutes on each side, and as you can see, the chicken has got that lovely color. Looks so perfect, and look at the cheese oozing out. Quickly serve this on your dinner plate and serve along with some more cream cheese. Tender, juicy, stuffed chicken. What can get better than serving this healthy, delicious meal in just few minutes? It's such a comforting food. It's definitely my go-to recipe for any parties or get-together, or simply when I'm looking for an easy meal. I hope you like this recipe. Do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Whenever you try this recipe, I would be happy to hear from you in the comment section below. Keep watching Fusion Cuisine and I'll be back with another recipe very soon. Until then, bye-bye.